In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I cook quick oats on the stove for the ultimate rich and creamy, super delicious bowl of oatmeal. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of simple how to cook videos like this one and all my kitchen hacks so you can be more confident in the kitchen. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to do this together a couple times a week. When you cook oats in the stove, you want to use the smallest pot possible for the amount of oats that you're cooking. So here I have 1 cup of quick oats, that's 2 servings, and 2 cups of milk. You can also use water, but for a rich and creamy bowl of oatmeal, I'm using milk. So I'm gonna add my oats into my pot, and immediately I'm also going to add the milk and a pinch of salt. Now the salt is optional, but I do feel like it brings out all the flavors and it makes your oatmeal taste so much better. Let's give this a quick stir. While you bring the milk and oats to a simmer, that means when your milk is bubbly and moving around, you do want to stand by the pot and give it a stir from time to time because milk is notorious for bubbling over. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know to always add them in my videos for you. Now, once it's simmering, the quick oats only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. As the oatmeal cooks and you're stirring, you'll notice that the mixture is thickening up, and after about 3 minutes, they're ready. But I like to put a lid on it and let them sit here with the fire turned off for about another minute so they're really rich and thick. Check these out. A thick, rich bowl of oatmeal made with quick oats. Who knew? I'm going to top these oats with some sliced strawberries and maybe also some sliced bananas. Let me know in the comments how you love to top your oatmeal, and watch this next video for more breakfast favorites. See you next time.